Hello folks, Chris Mackled here with Keller Williams Realty Maui Big Island Division and the Hawaii team. Today we're previewing a beautiful oceanfront home in Puako for a client. It's a home that is listed by Tomo Matsumoto with Hapuna Realty. So we send out a special thanks to her for allowing us to take some video here today and show you this incredible property. This property is called Hale Nana Kohola, which means the whale watching house. And you'll see why real soon. Well, there you have it, folks. What an amazing home. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, if you or anyone you know wants to buy, sell, or invest in real estate here on the Big Island or anywhere in Hawaii, you can reach out to us at the number on your screen or at thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.